All right, so let's look at example B. You've got the system on your notes. And once again, this system here, neither one of your equations has a y equals. So you have to decide which one you want to solve for to fix your y. So it does not really matter because you guys need to know how to solve for y in any type of equation, whether it's got a fraction in it, a positive number, a negative number. So I'm just going to take this top equation and I'm going to solve for y. Okay, I'm going to solve for y. I know that I have to move the x over, but don't forget this negative. Once I have this negative y here, it doesn't go anywhere for now. You got to keep it there. You can't just drop it. So once I move the x over to the other side of the equal sign, it becomes a negative x and then plus 3. So you got two invisible numbers here. You know that this has to be a negative 1y, and this also has to be a negative 1x. So we're not done. You got to get rid of the negative. So you're going to divide everything by negative 1. And that leaves you with the x, the 1's cancel. That leaves you with 1 equals positive x, because negative 1 divided by negative 1 is just a positive 1. 3 divided by negative 1 is a negative 3. So there is your y equation. Nice and simple. Don't make a mistake, because if you do, then that's going to throw off everything else, because this is the information that you're going to input in the second equation. So in this equation, I have 2 times y. Well, if my y is equal to x minus 3, then I can replace this y variable with x minus 3. And that gives me x plus 2 times x minus 3. It's got to be 2 times the whole thing is equal to 6. And now we're ready to go. Everything inside gets multiplied by the 2. So I bring down the x. 2 times x gives me 2x. 2 times negative 3 gives me negative 6. And I set that equal to positive 6. And now we're ready to go. Combine your like terms. 3x minus 6 equals 6. You're going to get rid of the 6 by adding on both sides. 3x is equal to 12. Divide both sides by 3. There is your solution for x. X equals 4. Okay? But you're not done, just like I've been saying for all the examples. I also need to know what my value of y is. So if x is equal to 4, I'm going to substitute the value of 4 into this equation. If x equals 4, I can put a 4 right there, which will tell me that y is equal to 4 minus 3. That gives me y is equal to 1. So my solution to this system is 4, 1. Some of you all may be wondering, does it matter the order? Yes. Remember, this is an ordered pair. X goes first. So if you put 1, 4, I'm not giving you credit. That's not the right answer. It has to be in this correct order. Now, you got one more example plus the word problems. I'm going to do that in class with you. So this is the last video. You're going to stop the tape. We'll do example C, and then we'll work through those